So here's the new bulb. This is an H11 55 watt. I believe this is the low beam bulb. So there's the inside lens, there's the outside lens, the running light. This is the bulb that's being changed. It sits in facing like this. The wires coming out the bottom. And removing it meant turning it like this. So it's going to go back in like this, and then like that. And the wires will be straight down when it's installed. So you want to put the connector on the bulb before you install it. And then you're going to be able to see the bulb come in. You should be able to see the prongs line up. With the cutaways in the socket. And then when you get it in there, you just turn it so the wires are down to the ground. Now here's another thing to watch. This is the old bulb. There's no gasket there. But if you can see the new bulb sitting in there, see that red ring around it? That's the red gasket. So other gasket's likely stuck on stuck around the perimeter of it. I'm gonna have to take a better look.